Yeah, so I have for a long time been interested in becoming a butcher. I grew up butchering deer with my stepdad. We would just do it in the garage, but ever since then I have a passion for how to do it well. And anytime I've come to a point in my life where it's time to make a decision about what to do next, I've considered it. It's just that now is when it's made the most sense. My plan is to go back to North Carolina where my wife's family is and eventually open my own butcher shop. The emphasis of helping out small farmers, hunters, increasing education about food and food sources, as well as empowering people to have more control over their food supply. The resources that the school has available to them for this program have really been incredible. The farmers that we get to work with, the processors that we get to work with are really great. And the level of hands-on experience and knowledge just can't be equaled.